People wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So Anderson Peters is an athlete from the Windward Island of Grenada. He was at the recent World Championships where he won gold. He did the field event of Javelin, so he's the world Javelin champion, right? And then he went to the Commonwealth Games where he won silver. After that, he went home to Grenada and they welcomed him with a little VIP official ceremony at the airport. You understand? And after that, the next day, he went on a leisure boat ride. I don't know what happened on that boat ride, but there's a video circulating online with crew members assaulting him. After assaulting him, they throw him into the sea. So I don't know what causes all of that. The police are yet to release the details as to what caused such a gruesome act. I'm going to call it a gruesome act because if you assaulted someone and then throw that person into the sea, that means that you want that person to be dead. Okay, so that is a gruesome act to me. So thankfully he survived, and according to the police, he's been treated for minor injuries, so nothing serious. So thankfully for that, hoping he can get better and then go on the circuit at the various Diamond League to, earn his money because that's his job. So I guess some crew members are into custody and the police are yet to release more details as to what caused it and all of that. So thankfully Anderson Peters is okay. I watch him on TV throwing the javelin and I was rooting for him because he's from the Caribbean. I always root for my Caribbean athletes. I always wanted them to win as long as they are not competing with a Jamaican. Yes, that's the honest truth. But I always rep for all athletes in the Caribbean. We are one. We are the West Indies. Yeah, man. So thankfully, Anderson Peters is okay. Wow.